can pass through this lipid bilayer. So that is that about the lipid component of the cell. Then the protein component of the cell. The protein component of the cell, there are different combination of proteins that are present within the cell membrane, and they are categorized into two. We have the intrinsic or integral proteins and the peripheral or extrinsic proteins. The intrinsic or integral proteins, they are also known as transmembrane proteins. They are proteins that pierces the entire thickness of the cell membrane. It crosses the entire thickness of the cell membrane, thereby allowing some substances to pass through it. Some of these integral proteins, some of them are channel proteins. Channel proteins are proteins that allow water-soluble substances to pass through them. For example, this one. And some of them are enzymes. Some of them are carrier proteins. Some of them are antigens, and some of them are receptors for some hormones. Then the peripheral proteins. Peripheral proteins are proteins that doesn't cross the entire thickness of the cell membrane. For example, this protein. So you can see this protein, it is just present on only one part of the cell membrane, either internal or external part of the cell membrane. So also this one is an example of peripheral or extrinsic protein. So some of the example of the extrinsic protein include, some of them act as carrier protein, some of them are enzymes. Then the carbohydrate component of the cell membrane.